Well, welcome to Classic and Sportscar Centre on this rather beautiful April evening. It's close to sunset and the light is perfect. I'm just going to show you something which you very rarely see, particularly not in England in April. But how about that? How gorgeous is that? And in this beautiful early evening sunlight, we've got a stunning Volvo P1800ES, the estate car. Now the car spent 39 years with one owner, had it from 1986, and in more recent times there has been £20,000 spent on the car, a great deal of it with a Scottish specialist restorer whose fine work we've seen in the past. More recently, £6,000 spent with us on an excellent quality retrim. As you can see, it has a 70s style pop-up glass sunroof. The paintwork is still in really good condition. And this shot shows off quite well what lovely, straight, clean lines the car has. There you see the rear load deck is well carpeted, again in really good condition. It has a 4-speaker system in the back. And as you see, our team made an exceptional job of the interior. Lovely hide, including on the door trim panels. Now originally these cars had vinyl rear seats, but the chap we sold it to previously, he wanted them fully finishing in leather. And there you can see the quality of the headlining. And there's a shot of the dashboard. So as you can see, it's a really lovely example. Very lovely, smooth ride. Quite good servo assistance on the brakes. and even on a very poor road like this, the ride is very good.